Hi, I'm Maithili, founder of Sintelligence. We are knowledge partners serving clients in US, Australia, Singapore, Canada, and more, doing business valuation, specialty finance, and support solutions for them. After years of building business for others, I wanted to build a company I would work for, standing for quality, excellence, and intelligence. I also wanted to set an example for my daughters that an Indian woman can set up a global business with courage and conviction. In fact, the first client found me. After years of working with them in different setups, I was in touch with them, interacting with them on social media, getting to know their life, what their business was up to, and when they knew that I was starting on my own, they signed right away. So the takeaway here is be curious, grow your network, because you never know where your first client is coming from. I always thought India had a world-class talent, and Indian work is meant to be on a global stage. When I worked with my global clients, they focused on expertise and not geography. That's what led Sintelligence to go global. Every market works different. US clients prefer speed, Singapore clients prefer precision, Australian clients prefer practicality. Balancing the rhythm of different cultures and still keeping your ideology was the biggest learning curve. Credibility comes when you do exactly what you say, delivering on time, owning your mistakes, high quality work, and when clients see this pattern over and over again, trust is going to come. A real example here, we are valuing a company and our team messed up in one of the number and the valuation was short of 2 million. This was quite a number and the client would have literally fired us. But we went up to them, owned the mistake, made corrections and delivered in 1 day flat. And we were there. Clients wanted a system which was transparent, trackable and global, something like Payoneer. As a result, Sintelligence was perceived as a mature and global ready company. One bad transaction experience can make or break everything. It's important to have a trusted partner. For any company looking to expand globally, you need a partner who will set up your payment systems. Payoneer, that just works for me quite well. As a business owner, you need to know where you put your energy on, growth and strategy. Multiple currencies and multiple systems is a problem. Solution is one dashboard that covers all these currencies and payment structures. As a business owner, that's one less headache for you. Now go and focus on growing your business. The world sees India as a low-cost solution. We went against this stereotype and built Sintelligence as a partner who grows and thinks with them. When clients experienced this, the stereotypes went away on their own. Keep your grit, keep your vision, keep your hustle. This is a long road. You might feel lonely, but go for it.